This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Debbie Hamilton. This is the property everyone is wanting in Hardin Valley. Gorgeous home on 7.81 acres surrounded by woods, full brick, 1.5-story home and 3-car garage. Open floor plan with a huge kitchen island with lots of cabinets. Kitchen has newer Samsung appliances, granite countertops and hardwood floors throughout the main level. Living room is spacious and has a screened porch and deck that can be accessed through the living room. Master bedroom on the main level with an oversized walk-in shower, double vanity granite countertop and large walk-in closet, walk-in tiled oversized shower. Upstairs has another flex room and bonus room with a wet bar. 2 HVAC units and 2 60-gallon hot water heaters. 1900 Schaeffer is also owned by Garzas, and he wants 1900 and 1908 to close on the same day or sold together if possible. This is the perfect property for families that want to be close. There are additional building sites on these two properties. There is almost 10 acres owned on 2 parcels with a gated privacy and shared concrete driveway. This property is a dream. In the middle of it all, but peaceful bliss. Enjoy the woods and your evenings while sitting at your fire pit. Natural gas on Schaeffer Rd. For more information, review the details below or contact Debbie Hamilton at 865-693-1111.